Tired of being lied to? Everywhere you look, someone is trying to sell you on a guaranteed method to make money online. Dropshipping? Oversaturated. Amazon FBA requires thousands upfront. Affiliate marketing? Not what they make it seem. The truth is 99% of these gurus are making money by selling you courses, not by doing the business themselves. The internet is flooded with get-rich-quick schemes, but most are just distractions. In 2025, only 2 online business models are actually worth your time. I'll break them down step by step, and if you stick around until the end, I've got a free resource to help you get started. Just like many of you, I also started with many online business attempts. I tested trading, dropshipping, and Fiverr. I even looked into all those AI side hustles people are talking about. What I realized is that all of these actually work to some extent. But guess what? They all have one major flaw. They rely on quick wins, not long-term results. If you actually want to make money online, you need to build something scalable and sustainable. Not flipping products, not chasing trends, but building digital assets that pay you over and over again. The first business model I will be talking about is Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. Most people overlook it because they think you need to be a writer. Wrong. This business works because it's the easiest way to create a digital product that sells on autopilot. It works because, 1. Amazon does the selling for you. Amazon is the largest online marketplace, and Kindle books are highly searched, meaning you don't need to build an audience. Imagine listing a product where millions of customers are already searching for what you sell. That's KDP. 2. You don't need to write a single word. You can outsource books through freelancers or use AI tools to help with content creation. People sell low-content books like journals, planners, coloring books, and logbooks, which require little writing. 3. Low cost, high profit. No need for inventory, warehouses, or handling shipping. Amazon takes care of fulfillment, and you earn royalties on every sale. Instead of spending money on ads, you can use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts to showcase your book. A single viral video can sell thousands of copies overnight, making this one of the most beginner-friendly online businesses. Here's how to get started. 1. Create a KDP account. 2. Choose a book type, low content like journals or full-length books. 3. Design or outsource the book. 4. Publish it on Amazon. 5. Market it for free using TikTok or Instagram. 6. Repeat the process and scale up. Now, let's talk about how much can you make. Let's say you publish a book priced at $9.99 and Amazon takes a 30% cut. For Kindle ebooks, they take around 30% to 65% depending on your pricing. That leaves you with around $6.99 per sale. Now, if your book sells just 10 copies per day, that's $69.90 daily, or about $2,000 per month, all from one book. Now imagine scaling up with 5 to 10 books. This is why Kindle Publishing is a goldmine. Now, if you're looking for an even bigger opportunity, one that builds your influence and long-term income, let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is the best business model because your content compounds over time. A single video you post today can make you money for years. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, where videos die within days, YouTube videos can rank in search and continue getting views for months or even years. Why does YouTube work? 1. Multiple income streams. You don't just rely on YouTube AdSense. You can make money through sponsorships. Brands pay you to promote their products. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions for recommending products. Digital products or courses. YouTube memberships or super chats for live streams. 2. YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency. YouTube prioritizes videos with high CTR, meaning click-through rate and watch time. The more engaging your video is, the more YouTube recommends it to new viewers. 3. You own the audience. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, where algorithms constantly change, YouTube subscribers stay engaged for years. You're building a long-term brand that can be turned into businesses, merchandise, courses, or even a book. To make money on YouTube, you need to understand 4 key metrics. 1. Click-through rate. The percentage of people who click on your video when they see it. A higher CTR means a better thumbnail and title. For example, if YouTube shows your video to 1,000 people and 100 click it, your CTR is 10%, which is really good. 2. Watch time. the total minutes people spend watching your video. More watch time equals a higher chance of YouTube pushing your video to new viewers. YouTube's goal is keeping people on the platform, so longer, engaging videos perform better. 3. Cost per mille, how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views. CPM varies by niche. Finance and tech channels get $15 to $30 in CPM, while entertainment gets $2 to $5. If your CPM is $10, you're making $10 per 1,000 viewers, but you need to remember that YouTube will be taking a 45% cut. 4. Revenue per mille, the actual amount you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube's cut. If your CPM is $10, your RPM is around $5 to $6. Example, if your RPM is $3 and you get 200,000 views per month, you make $600 per month from ad revenue alone. Add affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products, and you can double or triple your income. How to get started on YouTube. 1. Pick a niche that makes money: self-improvement, finance, tech, health. 2. Research your audience. Look at what's trending in your niche. 3. Make highly engaging videos with good thumbnails, editing, and pacing. 4. Focus on CTR and watch time. These two metrics will determine your growth. 5. Stay consistent and improve with every video. Most people quit YouTube too soon, but those who stick with it and improve their content are the ones who make serious money. Which business model should you start? If you want something low-cost, scalable, and passive, Kindle Publishing is a great first step. If you want to build a personal brand and long-term wealth, YouTube is the best online business in 2025. Or you can do both. Promote your Kindle books on YouTube and maximize your income. To help you get started, I've put together a free resource that breaks everything down step by step. You'll find it in the description. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried making money online. I want to hear your experience, and I'll see you in the next video.